In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a Starling Bank statement to Freeagent. This is a really handy process if you want to keep your bookkeeping up to date without having to type transactions in manually. I'll walk you through each step slowly, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to get your Starling transactions into Freeagent using a simple CSV file. First, you'll need to download your statement from Starling. Open your Starling app or log in to Starling Online Banking, then head to the account you want to export. Look for an option like Statements or Export Transactions. When you're given file format options, make sure you choose CSV. That's the format Freeagent expects for statement uploads. Save that CSV file somewhere easy to find on your computer, like your desktop or your Downloads folder, so you don't have to hunt for it later. Next, switch over to Freeagent. Log in, then go to the banking area, usually found on the main navigation bar. From there, you'll see a list of your bank accounts. Click on the specific Starling account or the bank account in Freeagent that corresponds to the Starling statement you've just downloaded. It's important these match, so your balances and transactions line up correctly. Once you're inside that bank account page in Freeagent, look for an option labeled Upload Statement or Upload a Statement. Click that, and Freeagent will open a screen where you can choose the file you want to upload. Now, click the button to browse for a file, then find the CSV file you downloaded from Starling earlier. Select it and confirm. Freeagent will get ready to process the information from that file. At this point, you may see an option about explanations for your transactions, often called something like Guess Explanations for My Transactions. If you leave this checked, Freeagent will try to automatically categorize your transactions for you. If you prefer to do this manually for full control, simply uncheck the box. Choose whichever approach suits how you like to manage your bookkeeping. Finally, when everything looks right, click on Upload Statement to complete the process. Freeagent will import the transactions from your CSV file into the selected bank account. Once the upload finishes, you can review the transactions, adjust any explanations, and reconcile your accounts as needed. And that's all you need to upload a Starling Bank statement to Freeagent.